In this video, some more progress on the TZR253MA, and this is the second Barry Sheene project. I've included some footage of the repairs, some preparation and some of the paintwork. Give us a like if you enjoy the video and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. This is what you're up against, look. Get it in primer and then you get a lovely little crack there. Absolutely fantastic, just what I want. So now I've got to grind that out, plastic weld it, repair it and prime it again. Lovely. Oh well, that's a hole in the TZR253MA project, he says. So next up, I'll get that tank done, and then we've got all these other bits. There's the pieces for a tail unit, get them done. Front mudguard, get that done. Piece down there, get that done. And we'll have a look on whatever else. We'll get all the bits done, all in white. And then I will get a picture of the bike, what I'm going to be doing, picture of the design. And I'll start masking on. What I'll do is I'll build it up with all the bits I've painted white. So I'll have a nice blank canvas, everything will be white. All there, the bike all built up, all the fairings, everything. Then I'll start masking off the next colour. And once the colours are all on the bike, we've got all the different colours on there, we'll start looking at the decals. We'll do the decals and put the decals on. And then when everything's all on, everything's done, it'll all be ready to lacquer. So everything will get lacquered. It'll all come to pieces again. It'll all get lacquered, and then it'll go back together, flattening and polishing, come to bits again probably, a bit more flattening and polishing, and then it'll go back together and it'll stay together and it'll be ready for the customer. So yeah, Saturday evening and the lump done on the TZR253MA project. I've got it pushed on anyway with them bits being painted. Guns are all cleaned, back up on the shelf. It's now time for me to go in the house and probably have a beer. Saturday night, couple of Guinnesses I think. Couple of Guinnesses, yeah, we'll go and get a 4-pack of Guinness. So I'll see you in the next video.